You're already wise. Wisdom isn't something you have to go out and find, it's something you have to make space to hear. In academia, we're trained to seek information, more sources, more expert voices, but wisdom is something different. It's the part of you that knows what matters. It comes from your experience, your values, your quiet clarity, not just your thinking. Wisdom might sound like, I don't need another article. I need to write the paragraph that's already waiting inside me. Or this doesn't need to be perfect. It needs to be done so I can keep moving. Wisdom doesn't shout. It speaks in stillness behind the noise of overthinking and overworking. So if you're stuck, pause. Ask, what do I already know that I haven't trusted yet? What feels quietly, deeply true? You might be surprised what you hear when you give your wisdom a chance to speak. If you want support in working this way, come join us at the Academic Writer Space.